Okay, how are you guys? My name is Bevan Isaac, and this is the first video of the channel, and I'll be uploading a lot of videos on solving math and how you can apply it in the world of accounting. So to begin with, we are going to start with solving simultaneous equations, and we're going to um, have a 4-part series where we're going to deal with 3 different methods that you can use to solve simultaneous equations. And uh, on the fourth video, I will be showing you guys how to apply these equations in the world of accounting. For those who are doing accounting, it can be helpful to you. So we're going to start with the method of elimination. So we have 2 equations here, and as you can see, equation 1 and equation 2. So by elimination, if we're using that method, we are trying to eliminate one of the either x or y. The first step number 1 is to eliminate either x or y in order for us to get the value of x or y, and we come back, we substitute to get the value of whatever that's remaining. So as you can see here, we have 3x plus 3y. Then in the second one, we have 2x plus 2y. So we would want to achieve a scenario where we have the same coefficient. If it's x, we have the same coefficient on the top part, on the first equation and in the second equation. So for instance, if we have 3x there, we would do everything we can do to make sure that the x on the second one is the same as the coefficient of x rather is the same as the coefficient of the equation in the first one. So here I would rather deal with y, the coefficients of y, because we can actually multiply the second equation with a 3, so that we end up with a 3y there plus 3y, so that when we minus the 3y on the first equation and the 3y, we end up with 0. Then we can solve for x, then we come back and substitute. So okay, so our first equation is 3x plus 3y is equal to 24. Then if we multiply the second equation by 3, 2x plus y is equal to 13. And then so 3x plus 3y is equal to 24. Then in our second equation, now we are multiplying, we will get a 6x plus 3y is equal to 13 multiplied by 3, we get 39. Then we minus the 2, the first and the second equation. So we get the 0 value there on y. So if you minus the 3x minus the 6x, we get a minus 3x. Then 3y minus 3y, we get a 0. Then 24 minus 39, we get 6 plus 9, which is 15, which is minus 15. So minus 3x is equal to minus 15. And then we divide both sides by minus 3 and a minus 3 there to get the value of x. This cancels each other. 15 divided by 3, we get 5. The minus and the minus cancels each other, so we get x is equal to 5. Now we substitute the value of x into our first equation. So basically 3, the value of x, which is 5, plus 3y is equal to 24. Now 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15 here, plus 3y, we get a 24. And then let's take the 15 to the other side. We'll be left with a 3y is equal to 24 minus 15. Minus 15 rather here. Minus 15. You know what? Let's do this. Minus 15. Okay. Is equal to, so a 3y is equal to 24 minus 15. We get which is about 5 plus 4, which is 9. Then divide both sides by 3 to be left with the y on one side. Then we end up having this cancels each other. Then y is equal to 3. There we go. And now we want to prove if our answers are right. So basically, our first equation in equation 1, in equation 1 we have 3x plus 3y is equal to 24. 3x plus 3y is equal to 24. If we substitute our values of x, which is 5, plus 3, our y is equal to 3 is equal to 24. So basically 15 plus a 9 is equal to 24. Therefore 24 is equal to 24. So which means our answer in the first equation proves to be right. Then in our second equation, this is just to make sure that your answers are right, guys. You don't have to do that under exam conditions, but you still have time to do it. You can still prove your answers to be right, maybe on a separate piece of paper or something. So our second equation is of course, unless otherwise, if the question wants you to prove, but in rare cases, in rare scenarios. So our second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 13. Second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 13. Therefore 2, the value of x, which is 5, then the value of y, which is 3, is equal to 13. Therefore 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Therefore 13 is equal to 13. So now we've proven our answers to be right, which means our values of x and y are right. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm going to be coming up with another second video where we're going to deal with the substitution method. Then the third method, which is using the graphical method. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, ask questions, comment on it, hit the notification button. I'm here. I'll be able to help you wherever you don't understand. So guys, stay blessed. Till next time.